Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got an unboxing for you guys. It is the Detox Box by the Detox Market, and this is for the month of September. I know these months seem to be rolling into each other and I have to think about which month we're in, but yes, September. I'll list all the different subscriptions and the prices down below so we don't have to waste too much time, but I do like getting this box because it concentrates on one specific brand a month. Even though it is a little bit on the pricier side, the brands that Detox Market carries, they're all clean and green and organic, and that's what I like about it, and also because of the how it's set up, how we get one brand a month. But let's go ahead and see what's in this month for September. Oh, and here it even says on the box, the Green Beauty Expert. Alright, there you go, all nicely packaged. It does come with 2 cards. One card is the Meet the Maker, and this month's brand is called Naturopathica. Naturopathica? I believe that's the name of this brand. Is it Naturopathica or Naturopathica? Naturopathica. I believe that's the name of this brand. I hope I'm saying it right. But the woman behind this brand, her name is Barbara Close. From the spa to your skin, these remarkably potent, pro-worthy products aim to address the source of skin troubles for visible, vibrant results. She's also an herbalist, esthetician, and aromatherapist. All right, way to go, girl. And this brand is out of New York. And on the back of it has some question and answers that they asked her. Again, it's in there nicely packed. And let's go ahead and pull out this nice heavy jar right here, this box. This is the Calendula Essential Hydrating Cream for Hydrate and Protect. Now let's get to this card here and read what this one is about. You get 1.7 ounce of product in here. It's $59. Wow, that's pricey. This lush cream deeply nourishes dry, sensitive skin without ever feeling greasy. An infusion of comforting calendula is joined by conditioning borage oil, while trihalose, I believe that's how you pronounce it, a saccharide, protects from harsh climates and dehydration. Alright, comes in a real pretty blue jar. Ooh, that is a thick cream, kind of yellow there. Does have a nice clean scent to it. Yeah, this does look like it will be great for dry skin because it is pretty thick. Alright, next, let's pull out this box. Carrot Seed Soothing Facial Oil. Okay, you get 1 ounce of product in here, and this is $58. Wow. The answer to stressed skin, an ultra-calming blend of oils including vitamin E-rich carrot seed, lightweight evening primrose, and relaxing lavender. Okay. Comes in the same pretty blue bottle. And with a pump. Okay, it's taking a long time to pump out. Do I need to twist the cap? Maybe that's it? Yeah, that was it. Oh, crap. I am a mess today. I just shoved that oil right in my face. Does smell good though. Gosh, I am a mess here. And the last product in here, it comes in a squeezy tube. It is the Oat Cleansing Facial Polish. Love a good exfoliator. This one, you get 2 ounce of product in here and it's $28. Soothing oats and exfoliating jojoba beets sweep away dull skin and impurities in this triple threat cleanser, scrub, and mask. Okay. Alright, so we got 3 products in here. Let me add these up. 3 products in here for $145. Wow, that's an expensive brand. And I haven't heard of this brand before. What I like about this box, besides, a specific brand a month, it's also giving us brands that, especially for me, that I haven't heard of before. So this is a really nice way of trying different brands of skincare or makeup. So alright, 3 products here worth $145. Not a bad month, not a bad subscription month. Well, alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Detox Box by Detox Market with the brand called Naturopathica. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.